Say hello to the Motorola razr, a modern flip phone that fits seamlessly into your life. We completely rethought the mechanical and industrial design to transform the user experience. Here are some of the numbers behind the new razr's impeccable craftsmanship. Let's start with the zero gap hinge, which allows razr to close so tightly you can't even slide a piece of paper through it. We custom built a folding mechanism that could protect the display while also allowing it to flex. If you flip the razr open 100 times a day, every day, it would take more than 5 years to reach the baseline of our rigorous nonstop flip test. That's 200,000 flips. We built razr with 2 high-resolution touchscreens that work perfectly together. When closed, the external display features a robust and unique user interface, so it's easy to stay connected. And when you open razr, whatever you're doing seamlessly transitions to the larger display that has all the capabilities of a smartphone. At just 85 cubic centimeters, razr is as compact as a deck of playing cards. Yet it features 4 antennas dedicated to 5G, a huge 48 megapixel camera sensor, a battery that lasts all day, and more. Packing so much capability into such a compact space is the result of years innovating with foldable technology. We've filed over 100 patents for the razr, from the dynamic hinge system, advanced mechanical designs, to wireless network technologies, and even the new software for the dual screen experience. With its breakthrough engineering and design, the razr delivers a totally new and unique experience, completely changing the way we use smartphones.